Hi everyone, I wanted to come on today and do a bowl made with my molds and shapes mold. I have poured, this is 10 ounces of NicPro 1-to-1 resin. It's at 33 degrees Celsius. I probably have more than I need, but I have other projects I'm working on, so I'm gonna use it for that. I'm gonna pour a bit in this cup for my white. And then I'm going to pour some in my mold. Let it move around. Maybe just a little bit more over here. All right. So I'm actually changing my plans as I'm doing this. I originally thought I was going to do something else, and then while I'm doing this, I'm like, let's go with something else. I always change my mind. I am doing a bloom. All right. So let's mix our white while this is spreading into the mold. I am using Let's Resin Ocean White, and the reason I'm using this is I want a wider, more defined bloom. So that's why I'm using this. So it'll be like hopefully, I say this and watch it be completely different than what I'm expecting. I'm not too familiar with NicPro resin. Maybe you guys are. I don't know how it does blooms. It does seem to be a little thicker viscosity resin than my normals. We'll see. So here's my white. I just noticed while I was sitting here that I have a fuzz ball or a piece of string. I'll just get that out. All right. So for my alcohol inks, I am using Octopus Fluids alcohol inks. This is Ocean, Navy, and Purple. I'm going to start with the purple. Because I'm planning on a bowl, I don't think I'm doing a back. So if I don't do a back, then I know that I need more color. So that's my thought process going into this, is that I need color. All right, let me just look at it. Looks like it's doing pretty good, right? And it looks like I have enough color like I want. I'm just deciding whether I want to put a blue drop in center and where that center might be. Let me see. Just watching the colors take over. This came out a little different than I wanted. There's sort of a different design on both sides. So I'm going to try to pull it in a little, make it more. It's a little more purple on one side, but that's okay. right. I think that's good. I'm gonna take my white and put it in my piping bag. I do want to use a lot of white, so I'm not going to do, separate petals. I'm going to do my standard spiral type bloom. Just out here tying my bag up. Just cut a little tip off of it. And I'm actually going to start on the outside this time. Hoping my resin didn't get too warm. I did let it sit for quite a bit. You will see, right? All right. Now I am going to do lines, but I think I'm actually going to start in here and do my little petal drawing thing. Just doing it lightly so I don't scrape my mold. Can't do it too light. Actually, I have to. All right. Well, I think that's all for the design. Right now, I'm just debating, do I have a silver center pulled to do a center? Or do I want to try to do a spiral? Mulling in my head. I know you guys can't hear this thought process going. Let me actually see. I might have, I might use these. Just a little of these in the center. Since I'm not doing 2 layers, I want to make sure they're pushed down so that the resin can cover it as it cures. All right, that's it. I'm anticipating that when we come back, we're just going to unmold it into a bowl. We'll see. Be back then. All right, we are back. This looks kind of cool, right? Enough color. I don't think it needs a backing, so we're going to take it out. Oh, I know what I forgot. I always like to put gloves on to make sure I don't get fingerprints all over it. I had them pulled out and then I completely forgot. And I should tell you, I have this bowl. I'm using a little bit different bowl than I usually use. And I did spray it with cooking spray. I don't have any release agent, but that works just as well. All right. All right. So pretty. Give it a little shove down in the middle. Do I have it in the center is the question. What does that look like? Does it look like I have it in the center? Oh, maybe I'm over to the side just a little bit here. Cooking spray is making sure it's sliding around. I don't want to put it on top of my mold and mess up my mold. All right. I think that's good. I think it's good. My fingers were a little oily, so I got some oil in the bowl. That's all right. That looks pretty cool. I actually think it's going to look awesome. I like the white. It's a little blobbier than I like, but I actually think it's going to look really cool with this effect and the bowl. We will see. We'll be back when it's time. All right, it's bowl time. This looks super pretty. Can you see that? I really love that. And I am not a blobby person. I don't know if you could see. There are lots of blobbies, but it looks awesome. All right, so I already moved it around the bowl, so I do know it can come out. It's a little greasy on the one side where I used the cooking spray, but that's okay. Yeah, I have to wipe that off. But wow, I love it. It is so pretty. It is just so pretty. I love it. Thanks for watching.